detect them, a necessary step in the process. Joe Khalil is live for us at NASA's headquarters in Washington, D.C., with what this group is now tasked with. Joe.
Yeah, hi, Marnie. So look, the big thing coming out of today is that NASA says they are committing to studying and researching UFOs, UAPs in a more serious way now than they ever have before in the entire history of the organization. And they say, in their words, what they want to do is take the conversation around UAPs from sensationalism to science. They basically told us today, look, we're NASA. What this report, what this effort is that they have incredible tools, incredible radar systems. They've got satellite imagery. They have sensors in water, air, and in space. All of that, they say, can and should be used to help partner with the government to identify what these things are that are flying around in our airspace, which they acknowledge they exist, and we simply don't know what they are. So today, they also committed to being transparent about it. They did say they have no evidence to show that whatever these things are not from Earth. That they didn't commit to that yet, but they said if information like that were to come across their research, certainly they would make it public. Here's the administrator here, Bill Nelson, laying that out.
The NASA independent study team did not find any evidence that UAP have an extraterrestrial origin. But we don't know what these UAP are. The mission of NASA is to find out the unknown. I've said several times in my comments here today that we, NASA, deal openly, and we will be transparent on this.
Now, we did have a couple of issues today. One was a question I asked afterward, which is that this report that was put together was dealing only with unclassified material. We know that the Pentagon has a lot of classified material, pictures, images, and what have you, that were not a part of NASA's research. I asked whether they simply didn't have access to classified material. What they told me was that what they wanted to publish and make public for everyone to see, they wanted it to be easily transparent. And if there's classified stuff in there, it would be tricky. The other thing is they've now appointed, and this is big, a director of UAP research here at NASA for the first time ever, but they wouldn't tell us who that person is going to be, and they wouldn't commit to making that information public. That, too, is a bit problematic here. They are absolutely committing to transparency, but we want to know who that person is going to be that's going to be head of all this, Marnie. And right now, they're not telling us who that's going to be.
All right. Joe Khalil in Washington. Joe, thank you. Joining me now is the chair of NASA's UAP Independent